In Michael H. Hart's famous book, The 100, a ranking of the most influential persons in history, Jesus Christ is ranked as the third most influential person in human history. Born in Bethlehem over 2,000 years ago, Jesus grew up in the region of Judea and became a teacher whose message would transform the world. Through his teachings, he emphasized love, compassion, forgiveness, humility, and care for others. His parables and lessons inspired millions of people and became the foundation of Christianity, one of the world's largest religions. Jesus gathered followers and spread a message centered on faith, hope, and moral living. After his death, his teachings continued to spread throughout the Roman Empire and beyond. Today, the influence of Jesus can be seen in religion, art, culture, philosophy, and societies around the world. According to Michael H. Hart, Jesus Christ's lasting impact on human civilization makes him one of history's most influential figures.